So convex lenses or converging lens can be of three types. Behavior converging का मतलब any light which is incident on this lens will get focused, and the diverging lens, the light ray which is incident on any diverging surface or any diverging lens will be bent away from it. So the image formation or the ray, whether it is converging towards the principal axis or it is diverging away from it can be decided or it can be understood in two different ways. पहले हमने किया था decide, like it can be considered as two times reflection. When light goes from air to glass, it bends, and when from the other side it comes from glass to air, it will move away from the normal. Same process here, air to glass and then air. So we can again understand this with the point of view of two times refraction. Definition हम last class में लिख चुके हैं, that's why I'm skipping it. Convex lens क्या होता है? The lens which is thicker in the middle, and the concave lens which is thin at the middle. Okay, right. So lens से image formation. Again, we will see the ray. How does the lens converge or diverge? One of the possible explanation is the light when it goes from air to glass, it will bend. So let's say this is the light ray. Now we are taking the light which is coming parallel to the principal axis. पहले surface पे हम बना लेते हैं कोई normal. So the light ray always, when it goes from air to glass, when it is going rarer to denser, it will bend towards the normal. So it will bend towards the normal. On the second surface, if we draw the normal, the light ray bend away from it. So it will bend away. It will bend away from it, and it will become. So light ray which is incident on this mirror is on this lens is actually suffering two times two times the refraction, and that's why it is called converging lens. क्योंकि light जो parallel आ रही थी that gets converged to a certain point on the principal axis. The name of that point is focus, and that we will see. So any light ray which comes parallel to the principal axis by the convex lens, अब ये चाहे single side convex हो या फिर दोनों तरफ से convex हो, light is always going to be converged and it will incident at some point on the axis. That's called focus. What was the other way to explain this or understand this? We can assume every converging lens to be made up of small prisms. There are small prisms like this is one of them. This is a prism. ऐसे ऊपर ऐसे एक नीचे. This is another prism part, another prism, like this. So a converging lens can be thought as a combination of prism. So a lens is assumed as a combination or setup of prism. So this will also give the behavior is assumed as combination of prisms, as shown, placed symmetrically about the principal axis. Tejasvi,
Yes, sir.
you understood this?
Yes, sir. Understood.
Okay, so what will happen to the light ray? How do we explain? I think we did last class. Can you explain? How will explain the behavior of this lens on the behalf of the prisms?
So the ray will move towards the base of the prism.
Correct. So Oshi, you did the prism also in school?
I don't think so, sir.
Prism you haven't done in school? Okay, no problem. So prism में क्या था? Any prism, thin prism, or when light is incident on one face, it bend toward the normal. Then when it goes from other side, it will again go away from the normal. So every prism causes the deviation in the light towards the bottom of it. Towards the base of the prism, light is reflected, sorry, light is deviated. Right? Yes. So this light will be always incident light is deviated. Incident light ray gets bent and by the angle of deviation towards the base of the prism. That means इस light में every light ray is always bent toward the base. So it will be bent toward the base of the prism. The light ray which is coming from this downside below the principal axis, it will also get similarly. So understood this converging behavior, why the light ray converges toward the base? It is because it can be assumed as a thin prism. So when light passes through the prism, it is always bent towards the base. Therefore, right. So we can write this as prism in the central portion. So like we can also converge, we can also assume it like it is a prism, and then there is a flat portion, and then there is another prism. So light ray that is passing through this converging lens, it will bend towards the north, towards the base, and the one which is passing through the central portion will go undeviated. Right? So I think we can write correct? So when light goes, when light passes through the prism, this can be assumed as convergent action of a convex lens. It can be assumed as two prism convergent action of convex lens. Very nice. So we can say that a convex lens in the upper part can be assumed as a prism, and with the central part can be assumed as a glass slab. So central part like a parallel glass slab, and the upper part and the lower part can be assumed as a prism. Light gets deviated towards the base. ठीक है, तो हम इसको लिख सकते हैं if we want to write. A convex lens can be assumed as prism in the upper and lower part, and a glass slab in the central region. In the upper and lower part, and a glass slab in the middle. That causes the convergence because always light rays bend toward the base. So convex lens always converges the light, and the point where yes boss, sorry, it was a call. So yes, ये समझ में आ गया, सिंपल चीज है, इसको एक्सप्लेन करने के लिए कन्वर्जेंट एक्शन के लिए पहला तरीका हमने क्या यूज किया, बिकॉज इट इज since it is the light ray going from air to glass, when light goes from rarer to denser, it always bend towards the normal. This surface पे वो incident हुई है, वहां पर it is bent, and when it is coming from glass to air, it will be bent away from the normal. As a result, it will always be focused. And the point where it is intersecting, that's called the main focus. There will be two foci in the case of lens. So this is called principal focus, or it is called main focus. For any lens, there will be two type of foci. There will be one on the right side, one on the left side. And we will always define main focus as principal focus. It will be the point where light converges after, if it is incident parallel to the principal axis. The light ray incident, parallel to principal axis राइट. सो मेन फोकस का मतलब अगर लाइट पैरेलल आ रही है तो जिस पॉइंट पर वो इंटरसेक्ट करेगी, जिस पॉइंट पर वो कन्वर्ज होगी, दैट पॉइंट विल बी डिफाइंड एज the light ray incident parallel to principal axis passes through a point on principal axis on passes to the principal axis on refraction through convex lens. Right. So after passing through a convex lens, light will converge, and that point is called main focus or principal focus. Main focus की distance from the optical center is defined as the focal length. किसी भी लेंस के लिए जब हम टर्मिनोलॉजी डिफाइन करते हैं, तो लेंस में पोल नहीं होगा. पोल था किसी भी मिरर के लिए. सो देयर आर टू डिफरेंट सरफेसेस. उन सरफेसेस के अपने अपने पोल होंगे. These will be pole. But in the case of lens, we define optical center as the point of intersection of the principal axis with aperture. Aperture क्या होता है? The diameter of the cross section. This is called aperture. Aperture और principal axis का point of intersection, उस point को हम बोलते हैं optical center. That point is called optical center. Optical center is the intersection of. So there are terms related to the lens. And then we'll see one by one the property of each of these points. Right? पहला क्या है? जब कोई लाइट रे पैरेलल आती है किसी भी प्रिंसिपल एक्सिस के, प्रिंसिपल एक्सिस से पैरेलल लाइट रे जब भी आएगी, then it will converge to a point, and that point will be called as main focus. इसको second focus भी बोलते हैं वैसे, but that's the main focus. Point of intersection of aperture with the principal axis, that point is called optical center. Main focus or principal focus. Point O is the optical center. Definition wise, optical center क्या है? The intersection of aperture to the principal axis. The optical center is the intersection of the point of intersection of principal axis to the aperture of lens. Principal axis and aperture of the lens. ये तो उसकी definition हो गई. What is the property? What is the property of optical center? If light ray is incident on the optical center, light ray will go undeviated. The light ray will go undeviated. It will emerge same as the incident direction. Optical center की भी कहानी देख लेते हैं. When light is incident on the optical center. बेटा ये समझ में आ रहा है हम क्या कर रहे हैं अभी. पहले हमने कन्वर्जेंस देख लिया. ऐसे डाइवर्जेंस के लिए भी we can assume as a concave mirror. Concave mirror also as a combination of the prism. Combination of the prism on both the sides. And by that we can again we can assume again the behavior of the lens by using it as a combination of prisms. Convergence के साथ साथ ऐसे ही divergence भी हम देख सकते हैं. Optical center. Optical center क्या है? The point where the aperture is intersecting with the principal axis. Principal axis, and this is the aperture. Now, when light is incident on the optical center, if any light is incident toward the optical center, पहले वाले surface पे this light will bend towards the normal. This will bend towards the normal. ये normal की तरफ थोड़ा सा bend हो जाएगी. And from the second surface, on the second surface, it will again will bend towards the normal. And on the second surface, it will go away from it. So when it will go away, the light ray will emerge almost in the same direction as the incident. जो initial direction थी, the direction in which light has incident, it will be along the same path. So बीच में path थोड़ा सा bend हुआ और फिर थोड़ा सा बाहर की तरफ, and as a result, the incident light seems to be the incident light and the emergent light seems to be parallel to each other. When any light ray is incident on the principal axis exactly at the optical center, the light ray will emerge parallel to the incident. This is written as emergent ray. तो ये बिहेवियर कुछ कुछ ग्लास स्लैब जैसा ही हो गया. किसी भी ग्लास स्लैब में जब लाइट जाती है, the light ray incident through a glass slab always come out parallel to the incident ray. So incident ray, emergent ray, light will come out parallel. Incident की direction के exactly parallel ये light आ जाएगी बाहर. So yes, diagram थोड़ा सा hodgepodge है, but I think you understood the concept. जब भी light air से glass में जाएगी, it first bend towards it and then it moves away from it. As a result, the light ray will emerge parallel to the incident direction. So please write a light ray incident. A light ray incident. पहले हमने main focus की definition देखी. A light ray incident parallel to the principal axis passes to the main focus. A light ray incident towards the optical center a light ray incident towards the optical center emerges parallel to the incident direction. और ये क्योंकि बहुत छोटा सा thin lens होता है, तो we can also assume that it is almost along the same direction only, almost along the same ray only. Towards the optical center emerges parallel to the incident direction. उसी थोड़ी handwriting मेरी गड़बड़ है. आपको जो समझ में ना है word पूछ लेना. The light ray which is incident on the optical center, when it converges first and then goes away from the normal, emerges parallel to the incident ray. Diagram is clear, or should I show it again? Shay, diagram is clear.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so क्योंकि लेंस बहुत पतले होंगे, so in that case we can assume that the emergent ray and the incident ray दोनों के बीच का gap is almost negligible. We can say that a light ray which passes through the optical center is almost undeviated. It's same as the incident direction. Correct? So जो lateral shift है, the lateral shift is very small. The lateral shift दोनों के बीच में जो perpendicular shift है, the lateral shift is very small and can be neglected. Very small and can be neglected. इसको नेगलेक्ट कर दिया, इसका मतलब क्या हुआ? The light ray is incident through optical center. The light ray passing through optical center is undeviated, क्योंकि ना तो वो कन्वर्ज हो रही है और ना डाइवर्ज हो रही है. The light ray passing through optical center is undeviated. Right? Fine. Same will be for the concave one also. The concave lens. So पहले हम concave का diverging behavior भी check कर लेते हैं one by one. Optical center of a concave lens. A concave lens can be assumed again as a combination of the prism at the end, and पहले वाले surface पे अगर normal बनाएंगे, this is the normal. So any light ray that is incident parallel to the principal axis, it will bend away from the normal, towards the normal. So it will bend towards the normal because light is going from air to glass. On the second surface, light is going from denser to rarer, so it will bend away from it. Away मतलब normal से ऊपर की तरफ, so it will bend away from it. Yes, boss. Rehan, are you there? Rehan,
So he isn't.
Sir,
in the
he's
meeting.
not there.
very nice. क्या हो गया भाई इसको? So light when it passes through the prism, it always. So ये तो अभी हमने understand किया है on the behalf of the refraction. पहले surface में it is bending towards the normal. So the light ray that is bending towards the normal, पहले ऊपर की तरफ ये bend होगी, and on the second case, it bend toward the normal, and on the second side, when the light ray is coming out of this denser to rarer, it will bend up. So यहाँ पर ultimately the light which is incident parallel to the principal axis, it diverges from it. Incident light ray and emergent rays diverge from it. It moves away from the normal, and the point on the principal axis through which it seems to be diverging from, that point is called main focus. In the case of converging lens, light ray जहाँ पर focus होती है, that point is called main focus. In the case of yes, boss. Right. ये समझ में आ गया, होशी? So this is the method by which we are trying to understand how a lens converges or diverges. So when light ray going from rarer to denser, it bends toward the normal and then bends away from the normal. जिस point पर वो actual में intersect करती है convex lens में, that is the main focus. The point where it seems to be diverging from in a concave lens, that is called main focus of concave lens. August?
Yes, sir.
Right. Okay, understood now? The first
Yes,
diagram is
understood.
not in a book, but I am just explaining because that is the real phenomena. Prism तो यहाँ पे है नहीं, वो तो जबरदस्ती का explanation है. So that's why I'm explaining the correct way. Correct way क्या है? दो बार refraction हो रहा है, पहले air से glass में जाते टाइम और दूसरा glass से बाहर आते. As a result, either it converges or diverges away from it. So next हम कर रहे हैं divergent action of concave lens. Divergent behavior or action of concave lens as we discussed the convex lens. Convex lens में light two times get refracted and it bend toward the principal axis. Similarly, in the concave lens, light again gets deviated two times. Now, it can be assumed as a combination of the prisms. These are the two prisms which we can assume, और बीच में एक छोटा सा slab, glass slab. So light ray which is incident on any of the prism, the light ray is always deviated or bent toward the base of the prism. इसका base ऊपर की तरफ है, so the light will be okay, and the light ray which passes through exactly at the glass slab will get undeviated. Light ray passing parallel to the principal axis will be diverging from this mirror, from this lens when it passes through a concave. Diverge होने का मतलब it bends away, so it spreads out, and convergent means it gets focused to one single point. And the position on the principal axis through which it seems to be diverging from, that position is called main focus. Okay, so we saw the converging behavior of convex lens and diverging behavior of Light gets diverged from the diverging lens when it passes through a concave lens, and when it passes through convex lens, then it will be focused to a point. That point will be called focus, main focus, right? Optical center and main focus, we define these 2 points. कन्वर्जेंट लेंस में हम अज्यूम करेंगे प्रिज्म ऊपर और बीच में एक ग्लास स्लैब, and likewise in the case of concave lens we can assume two prism. Light is always bent toward the base of the prism, base ऊपर की तरफ है, so light भी ऊपर की तरफ bent हो जाएगी, that will be diverging it from it. So main focus की definition अगर हम यहाँ पे लिखें, in the case of principal focus, in the case of converging lens, we saw that a light ray after passing through a point, it is incident and that point is called main focus. In the case of concave lens, if you define the main focus or principal focus of concave lens, the light ray incident on the concave lens seems to be diverging from a point. The light ray incident parallel to principal axis seems to be diverging from a point. The light ray incident parallel to principal axis appears to be diverging from a certain point on the principal axis. Appears to be diverging from a point on the principal axis called as main focus. Called as main focus or principal focus. Understood? In the case of convex lens, light ray जहां से पास होती है कन्वर्ज होने के बाद, that is main focus. In the case of concave lens, light जहां से डाइवर्ज होने लग जाती है, appear होती है diverging from, that is the main focus. So focal length is the distance between the optical center and this focus point. This is principal focus or the main focus, and similarly there is another focus which is also called as first focus. You understood this? पहले हमने किया था convex lens का behavior, how the convex lens converges the light. The first method that we understood, light ray incident parallel from air to glass will bend, from glass to air it will move away. आज आपका टेस्ट किस सब्जेक्ट का था? It was which subject today?
Chemistry.
Chemistry. Okay. Main focus के लिए, so when we define the focal length is always towards the distance from the optical center to main focus, and main focus will decide whether it is going to be positive or it is going to be negative. तो जैसे हम concave lens के लिए देखें, direction, the distance that we measure will be opposite to the light. The sign convention that we use, जब हम light के opposite measure करेंगे, then it will be negative. So focal length of any concave lens is negative because the focus lies opposite to the direction of light. In the case of convex lens, it lies in the direction of the light, incident light. That's why focal length is positive. Focal length is distance between the optical center and the main focus. What is the other focus? Main focus को हम second focus भी बोलते हैं वैसे by the way. Main focus is also called as second focus because it lies on the second side. Main focus is also called as second focus. ये भी add कर लेना. फोकस एंड फोकल पॉइंट इज द सेम थिंग कि बुक में फोकल पॉइंट लिखा हुआ है. लाइट रे इंसिडेंट पैरेलल टू प्रिंसिपल एक्सिस, जहां से पास होती है एक्चुअल में, दैट विल बी द मेन फोकस ऑफ द कन्वेक्स लेंस, and the point where it is incident after where it seems to be diverging from, that is called the main focus. Now what is the first focus then? Light जब principal axis के parallel आती है तो वो एक point पे converge या एक point पे diverge हो जाती है. When light is coming through a focus, it becomes parallel. It becomes parallel by using the principle of reversibility also. तो जो दूसरे साइड फोकस पॉइंट होगा उसको हम बोलते हैं फर्स्ट फोकस या फर्स्ट फोकल पॉइंट. मेन फोकस इज नॉट कॉल्ड एज फर्स्ट फोकस. मेन फोकस इज एक्चुअली सेकंड फोकस. Very nice, right? Good. First focus, the point on the principal axis through which if light is incident, it becomes parallel. So ये path of reversibility, principle of reversibility भी समझ सकते हैं हम इसको. लाइट में अगर हम इंसिडेंट की डायरेक्शन चेंज कर दें, if it is coming through the emergent direction, by using the principle of reversibility, the path will be exactly opposite. फर्स्ट फोकस क्या है? जिस पॉइंट से एंट्री करने पर या इंसिडेंट होने पर लाइट बिकम्स पैरेलल टू द प्रिंसिपल एक्सिस, दैट पॉइंट इज कॉल्ड फर्स्ट फोकस, एंड the distance of first focus will be same as the main focus. Right side में जितने distance पे था second focus, now to differentiate we are writing it as f1 and f2. but अगर हम distance की बात करेंगे तो distance दोनों तरफ same है, but जो main focus की distance है, only that distance is considered to be focal length, and sign of focus is decided by that only, right? बेटा ये समझ में आया दोनों में difference क्या है? Mr. Shrey, what's the difference between the main focus and the first focus?
सर समझ गए.
समझ गए? मेन फोकस वो पॉइंट है जहां से लाइट आती है, जहां पर लाइट इंसिडेंट होने के बाद, पैरेलल आने के बाद जिस पॉइंट पे कन्वर्ज हो जाती है, दैट पॉइंट इज कॉल्ड मेन फोकस, सेकंड फोकस और प्रिंसिपल फोकस. एंड द अदर पॉइंट इज द पॉइंट ऑन द एक्सिस through which if light is incident it will become parallel, that point is called first focus. There will be two focus, one on the left, other on the right, but हम left right से decide नहीं करते क्योंकि अगर light right side से आ रही होती तो ये बन जाएगा इसका main focus. Same logic in the case of concave lens, the point to which if light seems to be going, it becomes parallel after passing through the lens, that will be the first focus of the concave lens. Oshi, you understood this?
Yes, sir.
Main focus is actually second focus. First focus is not main focus. First focus is through which when light is incident, it will become parallel. फर्स्ट फोकस तक की डिस्टेंस फोकल लेंथ के इक्वली होती है, लेकिन उसको हम फोकल लेंथ के साइन के लिए यूज नहीं करते. The radii of curvature is different. Both side, if we consider it at two, it has two different center of radius of curvature. Then it will have a different center of curvature. Like here, इसका एक center of curvature जो पहला वाला surface है उसका right side में C2 and C1. These are the two center of curvature. इन दोनों की distance different है. इन दोनों की distance different होगी, लेकिन लेकिन the focal length distance is same.
So focus is half of the radius of curvature still applies now.
No,
Oh.
no, doesn't have the relation, because then the both side focus would have been different since the radii are different. So these terms, because we have already done that in the mirror, so I'm not writing what is the center of curvature. It is the center of the spherical part. Now there are two different spheres. There are two different radii. There will be two different center. उनकी radius of curvatures different है, but focal length same होती है, क्योंकि focal length has nothing to do through which direction light is incident. पहले वाले केस में concave के लिए C1 लेफ्ट साइड होगा पहले वाले सरफेस का, and C2 will be on the right hand side. So when we say the radius of curvature, that radius of curvature is not any significant value in the case of the lens, because radius तो different है, focus is same. जो हम f1 f2 दोनों तरफ लिख रहे हैं, that focus is same and it is not the midpoint of the radius of curvature. In the case of lens, there is a little complex relation. Maybe we will do it, not in your syllabus, but this focal length is not same as half of the radius of curvature. If both side radius of curvature is same, that it is called equiconvex. Both side की radius of curvature different है, but the distance of f1 and f2, both f1 and f2. So in this diagram, if we say O is, sorry, if we say O is this optical center, so the OF1 and OF2 in both the cases is exactly at the same distance. But जो sign convention हम decide करेंगे, that will be always decided by the main focus, which is f2. The distance numerically it is same, but अगर हम sign convention के साथ लिखेंगे, then OF2 will be positive in the first case and negative in the second case because of the sign convention used. So that's the definition of first focus: the point on the principal axis through which light is incident becomes parallel. Point on the principal axis, a point on the principal axis through which a light ray incident becomes parallel. A light ray incident becomes parallel to principal axis after refraction. Becomes parallel to principal axis after refraction. After refraction through the lens. लेंस से रिफ्लेक्शन होने के बाद अगर वो पैरेलल हो जाती है, then that becomes the first focus of the lens, right? Concave lens के लिए first focus is the light ray, where this is for convex lens. Concave lens के लिए कैसे define करेंगे? A light ray incident towards the light ray incident towards A light ray incident towards a point, towards first focus becomes, sorry, towards a point becomes parallel to principal axis. Then that point is called first focus. Towards a point on the principal axis becomes parallel to the axis. On the principal axis becomes parallel to principal axis is called first focus. Is called first focus for concave lens. A light ray seems to be incident. Yes. A light ray incident तो नहीं हो रही है. A light ray seems to be incident on the principal axis, right? क्योंकि एक्चुअल में तो वहां तक पहुंच ही नहीं पाएगी. Light ray seems to incident towards a point on the principal axis becomes parallel to principal axis. That point is called first focus. Sorry, थोड़ी hodgepodge हो English. That point is called. भावनाएं समझ गए होगे आप शायद. अगर किसी पॉइंट पर लाइट जा रही है और it appears to be going to that point, quite obviously लाइट वहां तक पहुंच नहीं रही है, उसके पहले ही वो रिफ्लेक्ट हो गई. The light ray seems to be incident at a certain point after refraction through the prism. Sorry, after refraction through the lens, it will become parallel to principal axis. That is called first focus point. The distance of both the side will be same given the condition if the medium on both the side is same. So which is commonly is both side is same medium, air and air or beach mein glass. Some hypothetical situation it might be the distance एक side में water है एक side में air है. That is a slightly unusual situation, but उस cases में ऐसा होगा कि दोनों तरफ की focal length different हो जाएगी. ये जो कंडीशन लिखी थी OF2 is equal to OF1, ये किस कंडीशन के लिए है? When both side of the lens media is same. अगर दोनों तरफ एयर एयर है तो भी सेम होगा, दोनों तरफ वाटर वाटर है तो भी सेम है, बट एक साइड एयर और एक साइड वाटर, then it will be changed. If the media on both the side is same, media on both the side of lens is same, the foci are at the same distance on both the side from optical center. Foci are at the same distance on both the side from optical center. Right? Okay, but अगर medium different हो जाएगा, then that situation we have to find a separate focal length. Will depend light किस direction से आ रही है. So let's say one side it is air and on the other side this is water. Lens glass का है, left hand side medium जहाँ से light आ रही है that is air, and this lens is made up of glass and light is going into water. In that scenario, the focal length on both the side will be different. F1 and F2 is not same. किस साइड का ज्यादा होगा वो भी हम कैलकुलेट कर सकते हैं by using the formula. OF1 is not equal to F2 if media on both the side is same. If medium is different. Right, so हमने लेंस के लिए क्या समझा? पहले तो we did understand the optical center, its center of curvature and radius of curvature, because we already know what it exactly it is. I have not given the definition. जिस sphere से हमने इसको बनाया है या कट किया है, उस sphere का center होता है center of curvature और इसका distance होता है radius of curvature, which will be same on both the side as long as it is having the same, as long as it is having the same media on both the sides. Correct? बेटा यहाँ तक कोई समस्या? Any doubt in this point? Yes. Any doubt?
No doubts.
No doubt. Okay. Convex lens has a real focus. Actual point है जहाँ पे image बनती है, and virtual focus होता है for the case of concave lens because वहाँ पे light appear होती है सिर्फ, it's not the actual. आगे बढ़ते हैं. So focus हो गया, focal length. Next definition is focal length. Focal length is the distance between the optical center and main focus. The distance from optical center to main focus is defined as focal length. Both side distance same होगी, but focal length हम उसको बोलेंगे जिस side पे main focus है. Optical center to main focus or the principal focus. The distance from optical center to main focus or principal focus. It's called focal length. Focal length is positive for converging lens, convex lens, and it is negative for diverging lens or concave lens. Distance wise दोनों तरफ same ही होगी. Focal length of convex lens is positive and concave lens is negative. Convex lens is positive and concave lens is negative. Focal length of convex lens is positive and concave lens is negative, or converging lens is positive and diverging lens is concave lens is negative. Correct? Okay, so that is the focus. There are two foci. One is on the left side and on the right side. But left or right से हम decide नहीं करेंगे. Decide किससे करेंगे? We will decide from the direction of the incident light. Example, suppose in this biconvex lens, अगर light इधर से आती है, light can come from any direction. In the case of lens, there is no polishing, there is no mirror surface. Now, after passing through this converging lens, it will converge. तो जो left side वाला point है, Jayesh, it will be main focus or it will be first focus?
First focus.
Definition पढ़ो. Main focus की
Oh,
definition.
sorry, I didn't see the direction of light. That will be the main focus.
Yes. This direction, this point से light actual में converge होती है अगर वो parallel हो principal axis के, that point is called main focus. So this is main focus now or second focus. It will not be F1 क्योंकि यहाँ पर light actual में converge हो रही है parallel incident होने के बाद. Since the direction of light has changed, that is why the position has changed from right to left. So हम ऐसा हमेशा नहीं याद कर सकते, और this is not a general case that light right side focus will be main focus of a convex lens, left side focus will be. That's not the standard. That is not the standard definition. So that is why we have to first check what is the direction of incident light, and according to that only all the sign convention, all the locations will be decided. So first focal length, second focal length, दोनों की distance same होगी, but sign convention we will decide accordingly. So in this case, this length, this length, suppose अगर हम ये length measure करते हैं, say will this length be positive or negative? Say
Sir, positive.
पॉजिटिव, यस, बिकॉज हम उसी लाइट की डायरेक्शन में ही मेजर कर रहे हैं, इस डायरेक्शन में लाइट आई है, सो इट विल बी हैविंग द सेम डायरेक्शन. Okay, correct. Next is focal plane. So light in the case of lens, फोकस से पास होने वाला परपेंडिकुलर प्लेन जो होगा, that is called focal plane. Focal plane is a plane passing perpendicular focal plane is a plane passing perpendicularly to the main focus. A plane passing perpendicularly a plane passing perpendicularly through the principal focus or through the focus. So the focus is called focal plane. Is called focal plane. So there will be two focus. There will be two focal plane. The lens which has two focus, one on the right side, another on the left side. So the plane which is passing perpendicular to the focus. This is second focus. There is left focus. Obviously there will be two focus. There will be two plane. इसके perpendicular this is second focal plane and this will be the first focal plane. अब focal plane का रोल क्या होगा वो अभी हम समझेंगे in the ray diagram. जब कोई लाइट इंफिनिटी से आती है तो वो फोकस पे कन्वर्ज होती है. अगर कोई लाइट इंफिनिटी से आ रही है लेकिन वो प्रिंसिपल एक्सिस के सिमेट्रिकल नहीं है, if that light is not symmetrical with respect to the principal axis, like when light is incident parallel to principal axis symmetrically, if it is coming parallel to the principal axis symmetrically तो वो exactly focus पर ही converge होगी and that point is called main focus or second focus. But if light is coming from infinity से आ रही है तो parallel तो होगी but it is not symmetrically with respect to the principal axis, means there's a distant star कहीं बहुत दूर से light आ रही है और it is not incident like parallel to principal axis. There's a difference between both of these diagrams. Light infinity से आ रही है but principal axis के parallel नहीं, principal axis के लिए वो unsymmetrical है. So the image of this or these light ray get focused at certain point on the plane passing through focus. जैसे infinity पे इसको समझ के सकते हैं, the object is going up the plane, so it will go down the plane, down the principal axis rather. जो ऑब्जेक्ट है जैसे लाइट आ रही है अभी, दिस लाइट इज नॉट ऑन द प्रिंसिपल एक्सिस, दिस ऑब्जेक्ट इज अबव द प्रिंसिपल एक्सिस, सो जो इमेज यहाँ पे बनेगी दैट इमेज विल आल्सो बी बिलो द फोकस सेकंड फोकस एंड इट विल बी फोकसिंग एट सम पॉइंट हियर इन द फोकल प्लेन. फोकस से पास होने वाले परपेंडिकुलर प्लेन पे किसी पॉइंट से लाइट पास होगी. It will be a point lying on this focal plane. That point the light will be converging. अगर लाइट इंफिनिटी से आ रही है and it is parallel but oblique with respect to the principal axis or oblique parallel, then it will converge at some point in the focal plane. Correct? राइट, सो हमने डिफरेंट नोटेशन समझ लिए जो भी हम यूज करेंगे इन द केस ऑफ लेंस. there are two center of curvature, there are two radii of curvature, but those are not used because उनका कोई भी use application नहीं है in the actual ray diagram or the actual image formation. It is at the same distance, and that is the first focus and second focus. The distance of second focus is called focal length. That will decide the sign convention, whether it is positive or negative. And when light is coming parallel to principal axis, it will focus to certain point called as second focus or main focus. When light comes from infinity parallel to itself but not parallel to the principal axis, the light will converge to a point on the focal plane. ठीक है? Right, so I think tomorrow we'll continue from here. Reflection of light through the हमने first exercise के पहले का part कर लिया है. Exercise number 5A you have to do in homework. Next class we will discuss exercise 5A.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so that portion, the refraction by two surfaces, that is in 5.4. जो हमने पहले किया वो last में. The rest all the points we have done.
Sir, one question.
Yes, boss. बोलो.
Sir, offline कब खुलेगा?
बेटा ऑफलाइन खुल ही गया. मैं ऑफिस से ही क्लास ले रहा हूँ by the way.
हम आ सकते हैं मतलब ऑनलाइन ऑफलाइन?
हाँ
हम अगर चाहे तो हम ऑफलाइन आ सकते हैं?
बिल्कुल आ सकते हैं. मेरी क्लास के लिए तो आ ही सकते हैं. इनफैक्ट ये थोड़ा मेरे स्ट्रक्चर